You've got the hardware, the surgery is behind you. Now what? Welcome to life with a bionic knee. There are new rules, but that doesn't mean that your freedom is gone. I'm Jess. I've been a licensed massage therapist since 2008, a licensed acupuncturist since 2014 with an extensive background in sports medicine and nutrition, and I worked years directly in the OR with orthopedic surgeons as a medical sales rep, guiding total joint surgeries, including hundreds of knee replacements. I have seen firsthand what patients are not being told before and after their surgeries, and I'm here to fill in the gaps. So whether you've already had a knee replacement or you're trying to avoid one, this series is for you. Let's dive in. Here's what nobody really says out loud. You might grieve your old knee. You'll probably feel frustrated at first. This is normal. You've altered something fundamental about how your body moves, and that's emotional, not just physical. That's why treating the whole person matters. Acupuncture can help with the nerve regrowth and even the emotional slump that comes with this kind of life change. Pain meds and PT are great, but they don't treat your mindset, your emotions, or the energy behind your recovery. That's where holistic care shines. Here's the deal. If you want to get your life back, you have to work for it. PT doesn't end when your appointments do. You need to move daily, train your body for stability and strength, and adjust your lifestyle to match the reality of your new joint. That's not a punishment. It's a second chance. If you're watching this and you haven't had surgery yet, this is your window of opportunity. A normal knee can only be preserved by intentional living. Anti-inflammatory food, daily movement, and structural balance are the tools that save joints. The younger you start, the better your odds of avoiding surgery altogether. And yes, it's time to talk about the real inflammation culprit: dairy. If you have arthritis, I say it without hesitation: ditch the dairy. It's inflammatory, congestive, and it does your joints zero favors. Removing it is the first step I recommend to anyone with chronic joint pain. Whether you're living with a bionic knee or hoping to never need one, the message is the same. Your health is your responsibility and your greatest asset. Osteoarthritis doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow build, years, even decades in the making. But so is healing. So is strength. So is reclaiming your life. Your body isn't a cage. It can be your palace if you choose to treat it like one. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, head over to my website. I'll leave the link down below. There you'll have full access to my blog series, courses, health coaching, and many more tools to help you feel better, move better, and just take your health back into your own hands. So remember, keep moving, eat something green, and question anything that sounds like a quick fix. Ciao, ciao.